Hey guys, Hollywood here. Today, I want to show you all my Nerf guns. They're pretty cool, so let's get started. Here are all my Doom lands. I have the Lawbreaker and the Vagabond thing. Here are my elites. I have a couple more. This is the, I forget what it's called, but it's pretty cool. Here's the Fire Strike. It lights up. Here is my best gun. 1 second. That was my dad. Here's another elite. And here are all of my I have 2 Flip Furies and Side Strike and a hammer shot, I think you can see. Those are all of my zombie strikes. Here's my first gun. It isn't a Nerf gun, but who cares? Here's some random guns I just picked up. Neither of them are Nerf, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button for more. Hollywood signing off. Bye!